Paul writes to the Corinthians, "So if anyone is in Christ, there is a new creation. Everything old has passed away. Look, new things have come into being." Happy Easter, everybody. I want to share with you the good news that Christ is risen. In a world that is often divided, where the extremes seem to be getting further apart, we're invited to stand in the middle with Christ, to love and serve and share. These are challenging times, perhaps a bit more so than usual. But in all times and in all places, we are children of God. Christ is with us. Happy Easter. Blessings to you today.